Tuples are special arrays with each position's data type fixed after initializing. In order to do that, you also need to know how many elements are in the array. So you have 2 points to remember about tuples. 1. The number of elements is fixed. 2. The data type of each element is fixed. For a normal array, you can change the data type of any element. But that doesn't work for tuples. When you define a tuple, you have to explicitly define the data type of each position in the tuple. If you assign the wrong data type to a position in the tuple, you get a wobbler from TypeScript. Tuples are useful when you want to be specific. Say you have a user variable which has an ID, a name, and a job. You want to keep them in the same position. A tuple is a good fit for that case. If you use an array here, it might lead to some issues in the future. For example, when you pass the array to a function, the function may require specific data type for each argument. An array with elements of different data types will be of a union type. In this case, each element can be either a number or a string, and TypeScript can be sure of the data type of each argument. You don't have this problem with a tuple. As the data type of each element is fixed, you can now use a spread operator. There is a known issue with tuples in TypeScript. Since tuples are arrays, you can use array methods such as push on tuples. But this will cause some issues as you can push an extra element to a tuple, and TypeScript doesn't consider that as an error. But this will break the rule of fixed length. The development team is aware of the issue, but they didn't forbid using array methods on tuples due to compatibility with existing code. So what should we do? Just remember one thing. Do not mutate a tuple. That's it for tuples in TypeScript. You just need to remember 3 things. 1. The number of elements is fixed. 2. The data type of each element is fixed. 3. Do not mutate a tuple. And finally, we have a quick exercise for you. Write your answer in the comment.